Here's a gummy. Say thank you. Come on. What's that on the table? Is that from St. Nick? Yeah. Oh, you like the orange out of all of them and the apple. Whose kid are you? And you like the straw. Rodney, look. Look at that thing. It's cool. You can play with that. I know. You really like those straws. You did it.